and welcome to this video in the Facebook Ads Masterclass. In the previous video, we set up our first ad, but we didn't actually create and publish the advertisement yet. In another video, we did go over how to create an ad video for your product, so I'm going to put a link inside of the description, as well as in the top right of the video, you'll be able to click and go straight to that video if you want to learn how to create a product advertisement video. Today, we're going to be talking about the text that goes into your ad. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more daily training on advertising, marketing, dropshipping, and Shopify. I do drop a video every day, and we're currently in the 5th video in our Facebook Ads Masterclass. There will be a total of 14 videos that will go over start to finish, how to create, manage, and scale your Facebook advertisements. So turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of the remaining videos. All right, on to the training. There are 4 key components that go into any good ad copy. They are, number 1, the hook. Number 2, benefits. This is not a feature. We'll talk about that. Number 3, your offer. And number 4, your call to action. Let's break these down one by one. Your hook should be something that catches the prospect's attention and makes them want to stop what they're doing and read a little more about what you have going on. Your hook doesn't have to be an obnoxious claim or an emoji-filled sentence. It could be a very simple question that entices the reader to want the answer you are going to give them. When setting up my ads, I create 3 to 4 different hooks that I would like to use to start off my advertisement. For our posture corrector, it would be the following. 1. Strengthen your neck and back naturally. Number 2. End pain before it even starts. Number 3. Is your office chair causing you extreme pain? Number 4. Sitting at a desk, slouching all day long. Poor posture is the #1 cause of back and neck pain. The goal of the hook is a pattern interrupt. Your prospect is gleefully scrolling through their newsfeed looking at images and status updates. You want them to stop what they're doing and pay full attention to you. That is a pattern interrupt. It's not easy. Take your time on your hook, as the rest of what we're going to do requires your hook to work. It is important to note that you cannot give them a command to pay attention. Think about yourself. When was the last time a stranger who asserted no authority into your life gave you a command to pay attention to them and you really cared? This is the same concept. You're the stranger. Give them a reason to pay attention. Don't demand their attention. Persuasion isn't telling someone what to do. It's telling them an option of what they can do and making them think it was their bright idea to do it this way all along. On to benefits. Before we talk about the benefits, we should talk about the difference between features and benefits. A feature of a product is what it does. A benefit is how that feature impacts the user. For example, nasal sprays reduce congestion. That is a feature. What's the benefit of reduced congestion? The ability to breathe freely, to smell again, the reduction of the discomfort of not being able to breathe through your nose, no more chafed nostrils and chapped lips. Those are why the user would subject themselves to the torture of squirting liquid up their nostrils. Let's write out 4 benefits for the posture corrector for our customers. Number 1, improved posture and strength in your neck and back. Number 2, reduced or eliminated back pain. Number 3, proper spinal alignment. Number 4, no more tension headaches from tight muscles in your neck. Now these are technically benefits, but all these are weak. If you came to me and said, I can improve your posture and strengthen your neck and back, I would still ask the more important question, what's in it for me? Or the acronym WIFM. Let's expand a little bit more. Our Slouch Buster will improve your posture and strengthen your neck and back. This will allow you to sit up straight and stop feeling so much pain at the end of the day. Wake up feeling refreshed, not feeling tight and sore. Through helping form better posture, our Slouch Buster will reduce or eliminate your neck and back pain. Start improving your posture without any exercise or extra effort. You can even do this at your desk while sending out emails. So there it is. The benefits for both are fairly self-explanatory, but what's in it for your customers? Why does that benefit matter to them? So for the first one, it's wake up feeling refreshed, not feeling tight and sore, no pain at the end of the day. That's what's in it for them. The second one, no more exercises or extra effort, something you can do without having to even worry about it. The next element is the only optional one, your offer. While important in some cases, is not completely necessary to the success of your campaign. Think about how you want to be perceived. If all of your ads show something at percentage off, you're going to be perceived as a low-value brand. If your ads are around holidays and then they have discount codes, that's something else. But if every ad is 50% off and free worldwide shipping, it completely eliminates the benefits of both of the 50% off and the free worldwide shipping. To combat this, you can always offer a discount code to your customers through the ad. Get 25% off when using this coupon code. Don't think you always have to give something to get something in return. It could be as simple as having a really great product and making them want it. And that's what you're giving them, that desire to want it. And in return, they're going to give you money. Lastly, the call to action. Let's go with a little story on this one. You're out grabbing coffee one morning and strike up conversation with someone in line that you find incredibly attractive. The baristas are taking forever to make your super complicated drinks, and your conversation goes so well that you forgot you were waiting for coffee. You could feel there's a connection, and you are almost certain that they can feel it too. The coffee is served, and you walk your separate ways. Why? No one gave a call to action. There was no call me, add me on social media, let's grab dinner sometime. And you don't want to be considered a creep or a stalker, so you let it go. Reframe the same situation, but instead of coffee, you're scrolling through Facebook. Instead of waiting for your order, you were stopped by a great hook. Instead of conversation that seemed to just displace you from the coffee house, you had amazing creative that made it feel like this was a great product for that person to buy. The only thing left is to tell them how you really feel. Tell them the call to action. In our case, shop now. Don't let that amazing opportunity slip by without asking for your prospect to do something. If they aren't prompted, they might not know what the point of the ad was and move on. That might not even feel like an advertisement to them. To recap, create 3 to 4 good hooks, 3 to 4 benefits with compelling with them, an optional offer, and a call to action. Mix these together and you're gonna have yourself a great performing ad. Onto the headline description. Your headline can just rephrase your hook, and your description can just rephrase your with 'em statement or be a quick one-liner. Now you have a professional ad that appeals to your prospective audience on an emotional level and connects with them by giving them what value they're missing by not having what you're selling. Stop stressing over the perfect ad and just follow this template until you are ready to make your own. This is designed for short form ads. You'll see advertisers write out whole novels for their ads, and it works well when it's worth reading. Don't worry so much about this right now. That's for later. Focus on short form ads and become the best at those. Then we can start writing longer, more persuasive ads in the future. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more daily advertising, marketing, dropshipping, and Shopify training. In the next video, we will be discussing how to find more interest for your ads. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.